Hello and welcome to another video from Minus Touch Toys, Games, Collectibles. And today we're looking at the 2003 release by Product Enterprise from their Gerry Andersons Classics Space 1999 series of die-cast detailed models. With this particular model being of the Eagle Transporter. Now, there was a variety of different versions that Product Enterprise done back in the early 2000s. There was a freighter, the Rescue Eagle, the Eagle Transporter, then there was chrome plated ones and so on. But this particular item is the classic Eagle Transporter, which was featured in the TV series. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. But before we actually zoom in and have a detailed view of the model itself, I just want to turn the box around and have a look at what it says on the back of the box. Okay, so I've turned the box around and what we've got on here, we've got the Product Enterprise logo at the top there. We've got the Moonbase Alpha logo halfway down there. Over this side it says Space 1999 Eagle Transporter. Down the bottom here it's got coming soon, and it gives you images of other models in the collection. So you've got the UFO Interceptor, the Supercar, Stingray submarine, and the Fireball XL-5 rocket ship. Now it says September 13th, 1999, the moon is blasted out of Earth's orbit by a nuclear explosion and hurled into deep space, taking the inhabitants of Moonbase Alpha with it on a fantastic and perilous journey. Key to the Alphans' survival is the Eagle Transporter, a unique reconnaissance craft able to travel in space as well as enter planetary atmosphere. Modular in design, the craft is divided into three sections: the command module, the central service pod, and the superstructure. The superstructure contains the landing gears, fore and aft access corridors, and the main propulsion system. Product Enterprise is proud to present a highly detailed replica of the Eagle Transporter as a metal die-cast collector's edition. With Detachable Central Pod, this stunning model captures the essence of this classic spacecraft from Space 1999, which was inspired by Gerry Andersons. Okay, and you've also got the Carlton logo and copyright information at the bottom left-hand side, and there's the product, the information on Product Enterprise. Obviously Product Enterprise no longer around, they ceased trading many years ago, and obviously then those of you that collect these models know that they are now 1612. Okay, so let's turn the box around and see what's on the side of the box. Okay, so I've turned the box around to the side. There's not a great deal to see on that. It's got the Space 1999 logo, it says Eagle Transporter, and you've got an image of the Moonbase Alpha, and down in the bottom corner there you've got the Product Enterprise logo, and up here it says Gerry Andersons Die-Cast Collectibles. Okay, I think the best thing to do is to open the model, take it out and have a good look at it. Okay, so I have taken the model out of the box, and what comes in the box is you get the base plate or the landing pad, and you also get the backdrop which shows Moonbase Alpha on the card that goes around the back of the base plate. So that's your display. Okay, so the model itself is of the Eagle Transporter, as you can see, and it measures approximately about 12 inches in length, as you can see from the length of the ruler. The width wise from landing pad to landing pad, you're about 5 inches, and height wise, if we go from the bottom of the landing pad, you're around about 2 to 2.5 inches tall. So that gives you an idea of the scale of the size of this item. Beautiful model. It looks terrific. It looks exactly like the ones that was on the screen. They don't have much functionality, to be perfectly honest with you. There's not spring-loaded feet or anything else, but the pod does come off, which I'll show you in a second. But this is the side angle of the model. Let's just pick it up and you can see the front. So it looks absolutely fantastic. It's a really nice replica model of the Eagle Transporter. Pro Enterprise done very, very well on this model. And these were, at the time, they were so cheap. They were only about 30 quid when they were first produced back in the early 2000s. But of course, as time's gone on and suppliers dwindled, the price of these items have rocketed. Okay, so that's the actual one itself. And then if you can look underneath, you've got these two springs buttons here, and if you release the springs, pull the springs to one side, the actual pod comes off. So the pod itself doesn't have any functionality. The doors don't open. Underneath you just got the feet and the booster rockets, and on the side will be the doors where they would go in, but again they don't open. So the only movable items on here are the actual locks to lock it into the Eagle itself. But otherwise, terrific. Oh, it's very simple to put back together as well. You just pop the Eagle on top, put it back and pull the